Rinat Jumabayev. Played this guy a few times in Total Tuesdays. Very good player. Solid. A little bit slow sometimes, but not an easy out at all. Should I have bet h6? I don't know. This seems fine. All the cool kids are playing systems with bishop d6 these days, so I wanted to do that too. And you usually take here later on, and then you play e5, and you get a decent enough position. Here, e7. Bishop g5 is possible. Knight g6, I don't think I'm too bothered. Maybe I should be. b5? Sorry, not b5, but b6. Just force him to take this. It's pointless. We still have a decent position though. One would think. He's going to put a knight in e4, take d6. And then that seems like a waste of time to me. Yeah, I think that was a poor move. Should have gone like rook c1, and I think he was a bit better. I mean, I do have to... I don't get what he's doing here. Let's push while I can. Or with the knight in. Oh, that's his plan. Not playing that well. Maybe I got this actually. Just pure caveman chess. Knight here, sorry, knight here. Boom, and then... Guess he wants to centralize the queen. Sensible enough. Let's develop the bishop. Why did I try and provoke f3? Why did I think that was a good idea? That was quite silly. Go here then. Nah, this is dumb. Okay, he doesn't go for it. b5 here. I'm just like playing move by move here. There's no concept, there's no plan. People are gonna say in the chat, it's just like I play. Magnus and I are the same. No, we're not the same. Nice try though. What? I did not see that was hanging. But we are not the same. I maintain that. even though I'm making a better and better case that we are with my moves. Yeah, that's dumb. Okay. Let's go for some damage limitation. This is such a poor game. There's just zero concept here. Just random moves. And having to talk about them doesn't make it any better, because I don't know how to explain them. Other than, well, maybe this doesn't lose. No, it's too fancy. I do have like a little bit of a grip. So I should be fine. I have a grip, but I can't get a grip. It's annoying. Okay. Let's give a check. Ready, huh? What this and this? We're playing so poorly here that I might as well play for me. Showing zero understanding or class or anything like that. Just hoping to weave a mating net of some kind. Because why not? Rook and a knight can sometimes cooperate and checkmate. This knight is far away. Okay, well then at least I got a free pawn. Now the pawns are equal and I have a much better position. Check. Now this is a problem for him. His king is in trouble. Yeah, that's a pointless move. King of 7, g5, and now. No, I'm just winning. Or we can start with king f6. Putting the king on a dark square while he has a knight.